We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting words in English. This designates a member of a mafia family who serves as an advisor to the leader. So how do you go about pronouncing it? In Italian, it is pronounced as Consigliere, Consigliere. In English, however, it is usually said rather similarly. You can simply say Consigliere or Consiglieri. Some people say it like this as well, Consiglieri, although it's closer to the Italian if you say Consigliere. In Italian again, Consigliere. And now you know. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.